another episode of my chat stories, and it is about friends. It's about friendship actually. So basically, I'm gonna share my experiences, what I think friendship is, and I'm gonna just talk about friends in general. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. I consider friendship to be one of the purest thing ever in this world, and friends are generally the people whom you can rely on, whom you can share everything, whatever you feel like, even if it's bad, even if it's good, you can just share all the things with them. And even in your bad times, those friends are gonna come, stay beside you, help you, and support you in all regards. So basically, for me, friends play a very important and major role in anybody's life. So this is what I think friendship is, where you can trust the other person without a doubt, and you can just talk to them freely without hesitation. So yeah, so I never had a lot of friends. I always used to have 2 to 3 friends whom I could share everything. I remember when I was in class 1, I had one friend with whom I used to share chocolates with. Like every day I used to bring one chocolate for her, and we used to share that and we used to have it, and we were very close friends. But then I don't remember everything with her because I was very small. I was in class 1, so I really don't remember a lot of things, but I remember that she went to another city, so she was like a very close friend of mine. After that, I don't remember making many friends or having many friends. But gradually with time, I started making friends, but actually nobody stayed with me for a long time. At that time, I used to feel bad कि क्यों छोड़ के जा रहे हैं or something like that. But now when I look back, I understand that it was important. It was necessary for them to leave, and now I feel good about it. Really, it is a part of life. Losing people is a part of life, so it's fine now. But at that time I used to feel really low. I used to question my worth, and I thought I was not a good friend. But now I understand that it's completely fine. I got my first ever dear friend in class 9. She is the one who always supported me, who was always there for me. When everybody was against me, she stood by me. I want to take her name, but I don't know whether she'll be comfortable or not. So I'm not going to take her name, but she is a very dear friend to me. She motivated me, she supported me, she was there always. Whenever I used to cry, she used to always be beside me, and she used to tell me the positive things and everything. Though we don't meet, I have met her last 3 years back. She's a very special person in my life, and no one can ever replace her, ever. But then class 10 ended and I went to another school. So in class 11 and 12, I have lost and made so many friends, and mostly I've lost. But my present best friend, who is my best friend since class 11, her name is Payal. She's one of the most wonderful person I've ever met. She motivates me, she supports me, she's my 3 a.m. friend. I can call her whenever I want to. She inspires me to do a lot of things, and it's very good to talk to her. I just feel so free to talk to her, and I just hope that I never ever lose her. She's one of the most favorite persons of my life. I want to do a video with her, and I'm gonna soon shoot it after this quarantine gets over. So yeah, another friend that I made was Tanmoy. He's a very good guy, and I love him. He's my brother. I tie him Rakhi, and there's a ritual in Bengali, Bhai Phota. We also celebrate that together. So yeah, he's a very dear friend to me. He always supports me. He understands me. What do I want more? So yeah, and there's another friend who actually motivated me to continue with this YouTube channel. She's also a very dear friend to me. And then there's another friend of mine. Her name is Rajashri. She was introduced to me by my boyfriend, and she's one of the most purest soul I've ever met. She's one of the nicest persons, and I really love her for what she is. I have made some really good friends in college too. Anushka, Shirsha, Srinanda, Cosmia. They are very close friends of mine. They are very good. Rupsha is also a very good friend of mine. They're literally my college survival kit. I literally love them so much. They support me, they motivate me, they always are open to hear my blabberings. So yeah, I have made some amazing friends in the last 3 years and I hope not to lose them ever. So this was what my experience was. By every passing day and every passing year, I've understood that losing friends is a part of life. I'm gonna grow and I'm gonna lose friends, and it's absolutely fine. And nowadays it doesn't even matter to me. Whoever wants to stay will stay, and whoever wants to leave will leave eventually. So even if I want, they won't be there for me. They are gonna leave because it's their choice to whether to stay or not. So I'm just completely okay with it now. And I believe that in any relationship, you first need to be a friend to the other person, then you can better understand that person, and it automatically lasts longer. So this is what I believe. I share a very friendly bond with my parents. I believe they are the first friends you can ever have, and they are the only friends who are not gonna leave you even if you do something bad. They support me in whatever I do, and they motivate me every day to wake up, to do something new. So yeah, I really love them. I hope they see this video and feel good about it. I also believe that you're gonna have fights with your friends, like you have fights with your parents and siblings and anyone of your family. So you can fight with your friend, but just सोचो, अगर आप अपने दोस्तों के साथ लड़ोगे ही नहीं, तो where is the fun? Life would be boring, right? So it's better to fight with them. If that bothers you, or you feel that that person is putting you down or is not valuing you enough, go and talk to them. Sort it out between you guys by talking. And or else you can do is analyze the situation, what he or she means, what he actually means to say, or what you actually mean, in a positive way, not in a negative way. Talk to them and then come to a conclusion. Just don't assume things and come to a conclusion just like a snap. Don't do that. Try to be positive in any relationship that is gonna help last that longer. That is what I do whenever I have fights with my friends or my parents. I generally sit down, I think, I analyze, or whenever it's something it really hurts me, I go and talk to them. That is a better way, I feel, and it has really helped me. So you guys may try it out, it may help you. I have some future plans with my friends too. I want to go on a trip with them, and I hope that I do. And for me, friends really play a very important role in everybody's life. You need friends to talk everything out, or you just need to have fun. So you need friends in your life. So I would say, if you have some friends and you're very angry with them, go and talk to them. Just talk to them. A sorry is nothing. If the fight is for really long, go and tell them कि I'm sorry. देखना सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And I believe that friends really play a very crucial part in our life, and they're the only ones who can cheer you up and make you feel good. So just go and tell them sorry if you have any hard feelings for any friends, or just talk it out if you have any hard feelings कि sorry नहीं बोलना चाह रहे हो, तो go and talk it out. Sorry बोलने से कोई छोटा नहीं होता. I feel that. So just go sort things out with your friends. It's gonna be really good. Sometimes you'll also feel that your friend is talking or behaving in a negative way. Whenever you feel like that, don't ignore your friend. Go and talk to that person. Ask them if something is bothering them, or talk to them if they need support or help or something like that. Because I feel that the more you'll talk to that person, he or she will open up to you and will tell you कि कुछ हो रहा है इनके लाइफ में, something is bothering them, or they're feeling they're not worth themselves. So what I do, there's one of my friend who sometimes feel that she's not worth it. So what I do is I talk to her, I make her feel comfortable, I make her feel good about herself, and she really likes that. She even tells me that she loves how I give her advices, and it's better that way. If you talk to that person, make them feel good about themselves, so they are gonna feel so good from the within. Even you are gonna feel good, because I have done it and I know it really feels good. So before assuming something or ignoring that person, go and talk to them, make them feel good, go out with them, have fun with them. Automatically that person is gonna feel so positive. I bet you it's gonna happen. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and I really loved how I shared everything with you without any doubt, as if you are my friends. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram because I'm super active there. Also, I post an IGTV video. You can see that. If you like it, then please hit the like button. Also, you can press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And we'll meet each other the next time. Bye.